Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Monday, a good start to a new week, and I hope everybody had a good weekend. But I'm here to tell you, in East Central Mississippi, we're expecting some rain today and tomorrow. It's supposed to be a good one. Probably, I don't know, a couple of inches of rain tomorrow. So we got a lot of preparations that we're doing around here as far as rain and the wind that's going to be associated with it. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you're new to the Home in the Sticks channel, I want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, had a showing up busy weekend, got a lot of stuff done. So give me a second, I'm going to show you what we done did. All right, brothers and sisters, actually over the weekend we had a birthday party over here. Skylar and I, we were like, well, let's video it and put it up on YouTube. But with YouTube's new rules on having children in videos, my channel is not really geared towards children. I mean, every now and then I want to pop in and out of the video, but it was kind of like, we better not do that because we don't want to get into any trouble with YouTube, you know, as far as policy violations and stuff like that. But we did have a show enough busy weekend, got a lot of things done. It's things that would have taken me months to do by myself, but Skylar's here to help me, and we got quite a few things done. Let me show you. And when you see this, you're gonna be like, really, Dan? Okay, yeah, it is big things to us because we have so much going on during the week. It's just hard to do anything. So the weekends get really busy, and these little bitty small things are big things to us. So come on, I'm gonna show you the first one. All right, here's the first thing we worked on. We ended up wrapping all of these pipes, the PEX pipe and the 3/4 inch PVC that we have running as a main water line going out for a hose bib, and also the piping, PEX piping for this water heater. And one thing that we did, and I hope y'all can see this, the light sucks, I know, but the one thing that we found was all of the elbow pieces of insulation are really expensive just to buy separately and piece it in. So all we did was we made some slices and dices and wrapped it up with electrical tape, and guess what, it's holding. So yeah, we got that done. And that's a big thing for us because we sure enough needed to get it done because it's gonna be getting cold over here, so we don't want any pipes to freeze. So that was one big thing that we did over the weekend. All right, let's move on to the next one. Lights. Got a bunch of lights hooked up. Actually added a light fixture to the ceiling fan that I put in. We did hooked up the lights on that, so it is a little bit more brighter in the shop, so to speak, because the lights sure enough suck up in here. Let's go over here. More lights and a new ceiling fan. The one ceiling fan that we had in here that I put in probably 8 years ago finally bit the dust. It would only spin in low, so yeah, that's a new ceiling fan put in. So yeah, and here, maybe y'all can see my face, and we actually switched out all of the bulbs that we had originally into high efficiency LED bulbs. So they're a little bit brighter and they cost a little bit less to run. So that was two big things. Well, 1, 2, and the piping, getting that insulated. Some really big things, important things that we got done over here. It is extremely hard, and these ceiling fans are probably 20-25 feet in the air on a ladder by yourself trying to hang a new fan. It can be done because I did it, because I have, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4 fans in my shop, and I pretty much done those by myself. Foolish on my behalf because it's really dangerous if you think about it, but it had to be done. But with Skylar here, she's able to hold the ladder, hand me tools that I need, shut the electricity on and off for me where I don't have to get up and down the ladder. Big things, really big things that we got accomplished over the weekend. Got to conserve that energy. All right, I also had somebody ask me, Dan, is that a Saints Christmas tree you got in your shop? Well, yes, it is. It is a Saints Christmas tree because we are showing off Saints fans over here. Skylar put that up, so yeah, we like it. You know, we have a little Christmas tree down here, and we'll have a Christmas tree up at the trailer. Just lends to the Christmas spirit, and we Saints fans over here. So that's what old Dan's been up to this weekend. Just trying to get a lot of the small things done. Now that I have a lot of help, Skylar's a big help to me over here because two of us can get on something and work on it. Two sets of eyes are always better than one set, especially when you're working on stuff like that. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Have quite a few things up and coming. I've had a lot of questions about the fermentation stuff that I was working on. Got some of those videos coming up, and I have some explaining to do as far as why I haven't put up any videos on the fermentation. So the fermented stuff that I've been fermenting. So yeah, we got some of those videos coming up, and also looking at possibly some solar projects coming for my shack or for my shop over here at my home in the sticks. So again, I hope everybody is having a good Monday, and I hope y'all having a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You showing off, get your shine on. I guarantee you it's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.